Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sean with RC Drones and More. Got another video here for you real quick. I have a PlayStation 1 Classic and a TV, and I'm going to try to run it off my power inverter, 200 watt, 400 watt peak. The TV is an Element 19 inch, let me back up a little bit, an Element 19 inch 35 watts, 12 volt, PlayStation Classic, 15 watts, 12 volt. I don't see why this wouldn't work. I just want to show you guys that, that'd be great to go. That you'd be great to go with it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we already unplugged the LED lights that I showed you in the last video. I plugged in the inverter right there. Again, that's a Centec 200 watt 400 peak. So the first thing we're going to do is hit this power button. Lights right up. Turn the power button on the inverter. Oh, PlayStation light. That's a good sign. It's under here, and we have a red light. I'm going to power on the TV, and as you can hear, feel the air coming out of that. That just kicked on. Turn the power on, and voila, it works. Alright, see if we can back up a little bit here. Get a full shot in here. I'm using my tablet. Sorry for all the jumpy. Tekken, Rainbow Six, Twisted Metal, Wild Arms. Yeah, I modded this PlayStation 1 Classic. That'll be in another video. Battle Arena, Cool Borders, Destruction Derby, Final Fantasy, excuse me, Grand Theft Auto. Oh yeah, a bunch of cool ones. Metal Gear was a good one. Oddworld. Let's do Oddworld. Alright. You can see that it's actually working. You can hear it. Oh yeah. That'd be a good thing to, save some on the electric bill, or when you go camping. Something for the kiddos. So yeah, there you go. There you have it. Let me know what you think. I don't know how long this lasts. It's a 12 volt battery, 10 amp hours. I don't know how long they last. I put the tester on it and it was reading 12.7. I haven't had to charge it yet. Let's start button. There we go. One player is loading, so get over it. It's loading, so get over it. Alright. I don't know. How many of y'all remember this game though? Oddworld for PS1. There it is. Trying to do this all one-handed. Oh yeah, well, what do you think? What do you know? Alright. Well, thanks guys for tuning in. And as always, appreciate the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, have a good one.